Hello everyone, I am Reja and welcome to brand new tutorial on PL/SQL declaration, initialization and usings. Here we can see the SQL server, SQL Oracle SQL developer actually. So here we can see the possible connections, and here Oracle 11g is a connection. I just want to see in properties, inside the properties we can see the username and password and saved password, connection, host name and port, and connection type here is basic. So if I connect button here, we can see the connection made successfully. So um, this is our connection in Oracle SQL developer. So I just want to open a new worksheet to give an example about our some PLSQL example. So here I just want to explain some information like we just want to print some value. So if we want to print some value, we must have to execute the set server output on in our current session. So and that allows us to give a result DBMS output in a current session. So yeah, I just want to write some statement here. So set server output on, actually this is the statement, and if I execute this one, and here we can see the statement executed, and we will then see the result of DBMS put output dot put line result. So I just want to give an example. So let's try to give an example for variable declaration, default value and assigning a value. So this is the declaration and begin block. So inside the um, begin declaration section, I just want to create or declare a variable like v underscore employee underscore name actually, and its data type is varchar 2, and its size is 50 actually. So here 50, and then I just want to add an constraint which is not null. So we must have to give the uh, value of it, and here the not null constraint, and I just want to give the default value here. So default, and then value is Reja. So this is our declaration, and I just want to write some statement in begin and end block. So I just want to override this default value for v employee name variable. So here I just want to give pl SQL actually. So here it is. So I just want to show or give the result um, like dbms put line dot put dbms put line dot output dot put line actually. So here it is, and inside the put line, okay, and inside the statement I just want to print hey, hey, actually hey, and concatenation operator, and the variable name v underscore employee underscore name, and then concatenation operator, then exclamatory sign. This is complete tutorial series. This is complete tutorial serve series. Okay, so this is our expected dbms output line message actually. So if I execute this snippet here, dbms underscore here, so if I execute this snippet, and we can see the result here is hey PLSQL, this is complete tutorial series. So this is our expected result. So in this way we can declare a variable in declaration block, and we can reassign the value of it, like this example. So in this way we can use this variable declaration and reassign, and here it is the result for anonymous block. So I now we will see another example of how to we declare the multiple variable in declaration block. So let's see, here we can see the multiple variable declaration, employee name actually, and variable here is birth 2, and not null, and default value is reja, and here we can see the employee salary is here, and its type number 8, precision and in its scale is 2, not null, and its value is here. Employee festival bonus type number and 82 precision, and here inside the begin and end block we can see the employee name. So I just want to replace this one, and here we can see the festival bonus is reassigned to variable v employee festival bonus, and then employee salary here, employee salary is plus with festival bonus, so employee salary and employee festive bonus, and here we can see the festival bonus result, data type is number, and its value is 45300 actually, and these two variable value is added and reassigned to employee salary, v employee salary, and the final statement is dbms put dot put line, and our result is expected result. I just give this a, I just want to execute this snippet. Here we can see the actual result that we expected, that we have expected. Reasonable result, your current monthly salary is here. So in this way we can declare the multiple variable in our declaration section and manipulate them in uh, beginning block. So now we will see the another example like PLS integer actually. So PLS integer is more faster than number data type. So here we can see the beginning declaration block, employee name, and our data type is Versa, and Versa 50, not null, default value is reasonable reza, and v employee salary, and its type is PLS integer, not null, and its value. Inside the begin and end, here we can see the employee salary is plus with 10,000, and the final result is printed in. Here we can see the actual result of dbms put line. Our result is here. So in this way we can use the PLS integer in our PLSQL block. So now we will see another example of binary float. So binary float is is more useful if we use the large number of value in our some operations, mathematical operations. So here we um, don't need to give or specify the precision and scale value for binary float, that we um, uh, so but if we use and here we can see the declaration employee name here, and here the employee name and employee salary, and employee salary is var binary float. So here the value, and after the end or right side of this value we can see the f character, and which means the value is binary float type. And inside the begin and end we can see the employee salaries plus with 1000. So if I execute the anonymous block, we will see the actual result. So here we can see regional result, your salary is here. Here E is exponential, and in this exponential is appear due to our binary float data type. So this is the example, but if you want to use mathematical or a large number of mathematical operation, you can use binary float data type in your PLSQL block. And the last example is our date manipulation. And here we can see the v underscore employee underscore name, and its data type versa not null, default is here, and v underscore employee underscore joining date data type, and its default value is sysdate. And after then the another line is v underscore employee underscore probation underscore date, here the time stamp. And here we use assignment operator. um, we also use the default actually. So you can use this line by using this line. Inside the begin and end block, we reassign the value of v employee joining date 15 June 2019, and the last statement dbm is put line output dot put line, and here our result is your joining date is here and your probation time is here. So in this way we can use our date and timestamp. Actually timestamp is nothing. Timestamp is a detailed version of a date. Here we can see the regional result, your joining date is 15th June 2019, and your probation time is here. This is the detail of a date. So this is the way, and we can use the our this is the example of a date and time. So our last one is example of boolean type, and here we can see the employee name and versa not null, default, regional reza, and v underscore employee is active. Here the data type is boolean, and this is the work. uh, and inside the begin and end block we can see the variable p underscore employee underscore is active and its value is true. By default the boolean data type value is null, and inside in the if block v underscore employee underscore is active is true, then the result your employee status is active. And another one else if block is false is status is false, and employee null, employee is active null, then the result is inactive, and else block is inactive actually. So if I run this um, PLSQL block, our result will, here we can see employee result result your employee status is inactive. So if I change this one to false, then the result is your employee status is inactive. So in this way we can use the boolean data type in our PLSQL block actually. So this is the example of some PLSQL block. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching the next tutorial. Thanks.